Hey guys, so in this lesson, we're going to be talking about solving triangle A, B, and C, A, B, C, side A, angle A, all of that. So I want to kind of just give you a base knowledge on what it all means. So first off, when you see solve, I should put quotes, triangle ABC, what it means is to solve for all side values and angle values. So let's make a triangle that looks like an equilateral. I don't want to do that so I don't confuse you. Let's do something like this. A nice obtuse A, B, C. So capital letters. If you notice, those all sit on the edges of our triangle. Those all are for our angles. So those are fitting in the corner as if, you were just labeling a regular triangle. Now, the lowercase letters correspond with the sides. And what I mean by this is it's going to be always across from the angles. I ran out of room, sorry. So if I have big A over there, that's across from it, and that's going to be little a. I have big B, which is the angle, which means that's going to be little b. And then C, that's little c. So those are the side values that correspond with the angles and vice versa. It's going to be very important that you are aware of this. Now, you won't always see A, B, and C. If it says solve XYZ triangle, you're going to treat it the same. Capital letters are angles, lowercase letters are lengths. And another thing to know, which you know, but I'm bringing it up, is there are 180 degrees in a triangle. No matter what type of triangle it is always 180 degrees. You guys know this. You are going to be using this to your advantage to solve, because if you are given two angles, you don't need to do some fancy formula. You can go ahead and subtract those angles from 180 to find your missing one. So these are some important things. You should really have these down because we're going to get going with the lesson, and it's going to continue on through 9.3 and 9.4, this type of stuff.